how to switch from a professional account to a personal account. So the first thing you want to do is select the icon in the bottom right hand corner, and you then want to select the professional dashboard that appears above edit profile and share profile. You want to select the cog in the top right hand corner. You then want to scroll down and select switch account type. From here, you then want to select switch to personal account. It will then ask you if you want to switch to a personal account and the features that you'll lose. When you're happy with this, you can then select switch to personal account, and that's how you switch from a professional account to a personal account. There is also a second way to switch your account from a professional to a personal. And so the first thing you have to do is select your icon in the bottom right hand corner. You then want to go to the top right hand corner and select the 3 lines. You want to scroll down until you see business tools and controls. Select that. You then want to scroll down again and select switch account type. You want to select switch to a personal account, and you'll be given the same option asking you, are you sure you want to switch to a personal account and the features you'll lose? Select that, and that's how you change your professional account to a personal account on Instagram.